Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sherbler. This is a fairly new channel. If you are new, I encourage you to subscribe. It's not required, and today we're going to be talking about my $10 green screen. The question is, how are you going to put up the green screen? In case you didn't know, you can actually get the green screen materials for very cheap as long as you have a wall behind you. All you need is a green plastic tablecloth, which you can get for $4 on Amazon, and some mounting putty, which is about $3. And so I can just show you how to put it up now. You start by taking this and sort of mixing it up. The next one I'm going to put right in the corner. For corners, it's very important. When you're putting it up, you only really need one. And you really need to make sure that they are sticking, because if they don't stick, you're gonna have it's gonna fall a lot. Small wrinkles will be fine. There's gonna be wrinkles in it because it's gonna arrive after you folded. You do need to make sure it's not big wrinkles. So, yeah. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, I encourage you to subscribe. And if I get 10 likes on this video, I'll show you how to set up the green screen. Feel free to comment and have a nice day. Nightbot does not like it when people use code, because he literally says !code in the title. He takes that very seriously.